Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. What do you do if you come back here to the power liftgate on your GMC Yukon and it won't open no matter what you do? Now you can always use the button down here even if your battery dies, and you can manually open the liftgate, but that's not what you paid for. So how do you fix this problem? Most likely you need to come right here into the interior and look right here on the upper console at this dial. It's set to max. You can set it to 3/4 or you can set it to off. And so check and make sure that it's either set to 3/4 or to max. And then all you have to do is push the button right there to make sure that it will open. And you should be good to go. Obviously there's a multitude of ways you can do this, but just to show you that it's going to open, there we go. Taken care of. So hopefully that helps you fix your problem. Tell me down in the comments if there is a particular tutorial on the Yukon or any other vehicle you would like to see me show in a future video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.